Well, the study tour for NPO and Child is always fun, yet inspirational. Fun because the members of InChild family, with their supporters, sponsors, and officials, were gathered together to unite themselves, share their time, talk with each other, share ideas and experiences, and even play together. And it also established great interactions, among others. Well, it's also inspirational because InChild doesn't only focus on the external and personal aspect of every member. Rather, it propagated the principle and teachings of social education, which describe the real attitude, character, and behavior of a true family, like eating together, helping each other, and teaching the value of self-independence. Since in child practice the true meaning of love, true indiscrimination, and practicing the essence of love beyond the borders of nations. And this is what I felt every study tour we have within Child for 20 years now. And I am hoping to have more in-child study tours to give more inspirations to everyone, especially in child family and to other individuals beyond in child. Arigatou gozaimasu.
Good day, everyone. I hope you're all doing well. My name is Mielin Bagaipuladag, and I am joining you today from Barangay Los Angeles, and I'm delighted to share my reflections from our recent study tour. Last month, on June 22, 2024, InChild, our non-profit organization dedicated to empowering youth through education, hosted a deeply meaningful study tour as part of our ongoing scholarship program. This particular tour was especially poignant due to the reunion with a group of Japanese delegates whom we had warmly welcomed on a previous occasion. As we awaited their arrival, anticipation filled the air among our in-child participants. When the Japanese delegates finally appeared, there was an immediate exchange of smiles, hugs, and heartfelt greetings. The joy of seeing familiar faces and reconnecting with friends transcended language barriers and cultural differences. The reunion unfolded into a day filled with memorable interactions and shared experience. We began with a lively dance session where traditional Japanese and local dances intertwined, symbolizing the blending of our cultures and the unity of our aspirations. Laughter echoed through the halls as we reminisced about our previous meetings and shared stories of what had transpired since. During lunch, we gathered around tables laden with dishes from Philippines. Conversations flowed effortlessly as we exchanged updates on our lives, aspirations, and dreams for the future. The atmosphere was one of warmth and camaraderie, each moment deepening the bonds forged through our mutual commitment to education and cultural exchange. We engage in various games and activities that further strengthened our connections, from team building exercises to friendly competitions. Every interaction fostered a sense of belonging and solidarity. Amidst the laughter and cheers, we found ourselves discussing not only our academic ambitions, but also our personal journeys and the values that unite us as members of the InChild family. A particularly moving highlight of the day was when we gathered in a circle to sing songs from both our cultures, harmonizing together. Our voices resonated with a shared sense of appreciation for diversity and unity. It was a moment that encapsulated the essence of InChild, a community where differences are celebrated and bonds are strengthened through mutual respect and understanding. Beyond the joy and camaraderie, the study tour left a lasting impact on all participants. It served as a reminding of a reminder of the transformative power of education and cultural exchange in fostering empathy, compassion, and global citizenship. Through our interactions with the Japanese delegates, we not only learned about their traditions and perspectives, but also gained a deeper understanding of our own identity and values. Throughout the day, our theme Success Awaits When You Don't Stop resonated strongly, guiding us as we navigated challenges and celebrated achievements together. This theme underscored our collective determination to persevere in the face of obstacles and strive for excellence in all our endeavors. The study tour organized by InChild on June 22, 2024 was a testament to the enriching experiences that arise from cross-cultural collaboration and friendship. It was a day filled with laughter, learning, and heartfelt connections that deepened our sense of belonging to the global community. As we continue our journey within Child, we carry with us the lessons of love, unity, and mutual respect that define us as a family united in our commitment, educational excellence, and cultural understanding. Again, thank you very much, InChild, and I hope to see you again next year. Arigatou gozaimasu.
Hello everyone. I am Fiona Elizabeth De Roca from Magallanes North in Child Scholar. I am 16 years old. I became part of this family when I was in 3rd grade and now I am in 11th grade. Being part of this family is such a big blessing that our Lord God has given to me because this family gave me not just financial support but also a lot of love since then and now. My grandparents raised me and until now I live with them. When they knew that I became a scholar, they were happy because it will be a big help to support my studies because we are struggling financially. When I first met the child sponsors, I felt so happy and excited and I felt their genuine love to us and I really enjoyed our bonding together. I built a lot of friendship and bond because of the child family. With the help of InChild, I am able to support my studies and I'm very grateful for it. My family and InChild family are my inspiration to strive more to become successful in life and to be able to help others achieve their dreams just like me someday. With all of the love and support that I receive, I will continue to strive harder to face all the challenges in life and achieve my dreams. Thank you.